And welcome to eLeaP. In this quick tutorial, we will be unveiling a new question type. This particular question type allows you to have your end users submit answers by uploading them to you. Essentially, think about it as a way to submit homework assignments or, in fact, any other type of input that they need to send in for an instructor to review and give them a grade for. Okay, so I am going into this particular course here and I'm going into my quiz section right over here. I will click on add new question, and if you click on the drop down you will now see a new question type after hotspot. It's called upload answer. So select that question type and then of course enter in your question. So in this case my question is define economics, and save it. Other things that I can do is just check to make sure everything looks good. I've got 3 questions in all. There's a retry. All of this looks good. I have already assigned this course to an individual, so I'm just going to go in and view that course as that particular individual so you can see how this would actually look. So I'm in there as an individual and end user. I have my course right over here and I'm going to start my quiz. I've got a couple of multiple choice questions in there, and then I do have my define economics question. And so now what the end user will do is be able to click on this and of course find whatever file that they want to upload. It could be a Word document, a video file, doesn't matter. Just click on the file and click submit answer, and the system basically uploads the file for you. Super easy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Now, because this type of quiz requires grading, it is important that the end user, of course, submit that for grading. So they will see the option button here to submit for grading. So I have submitted that for grading. Let's go back to the admin view to see how this would look. So I'm going to go to my stats for this course. I do have a submission. It's in grading. So of course, if I click on that, I'll see the attempt right over here. Okay, you can see the attempt. You can basically go through the various questions to see. Now, because this is a gradable question, I'm going to go to my grading center. And in this case, I actually will select my uh, course type or question type, and I can see this is a submission, and I will be able to download the answer that the individual submitted. And of course I can review it, look at it, make sure it looks great and whatnot, and then I have an option to give him a full point or a partial credit for it. If I click submit here, then this basically answers the question of grading, and that particular quiz then gets essentially added to the list of completed quizzes so that the end user will get a overall score. So of course in this case here they have passed. So this is a new question type that allows you to essentially grade submitted answers that people upload into the eLeaP system. As usual, if you have any questions about this feature or any feature in the system, please don't hesitate to contact us.